day, kids! Alam niyo ba ang addition table ay pwede rin gamitin sa subtraction? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Our first example is 16 minus 1. And the answer is 15. Let us check if our answer is correct. We have to find the minuend 16. If addition is going to the right, subtraction is the opposite. 16 minus 1 is 1 going to the left. Therefore, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. What is 16 minus 10? And the answer is the number above 16. Let us validate our answer if it is correct or not. The arrow is pointing to the minuend 16, and the number above 16 is 6. Therefore, our answer 6 is correct. Our next example is 21 minus 9. Don't you know that 9 is equal to 10 minus 1? 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. Tama kaya ang ating answer na 12? Let's validate using our addition table. 21 minus 10 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Did we get the same result? Of course, yes. At bakit plus 1? Dahil sobra-sobra ang ating minus sa kanya, ibabalik natin ang hindi sa atin. Let's have another example. 25 minus 11 is equal to what number? And the answer is 14. Let's try to validate our answer in the addition table. 25 minus 10 is 15. Minus 1 is 14. Bakit nag-minus tayo ulit? Naalala nyo ba, yung una nating i-minus ay 10. At kulang pa siya ng isa, kaya binawasan pa ulit natin ng isa to make it 11. Therefore, the answer is 14. Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.